Hi there, I welcome you to a petrol pump, and it is HP petrol pump, and here is generator, and this is a compound wall, and there is one service center for tires, punctures, and all these, and there will be pressure gauge also, pressure gauge, just filling the pressure, and there are only two very small, you see, tiny. They have not invested much. There are two dispensers, you see. There are two dispensers, 1 and 2. One is a scooter park here, it is my bike. Another is some trolley has come, and big truck is also standing there. Then comes like that, you see, all around. And this is something, I don't know what is that, a storage. Some kind of a storage is here, you see. Maybe some water reservoir or something. Or maybe tank, maybe the sump. Two sumps for storing diesel and petrol. Maybe it is protected, and this is maybe sewage line or something, water. It's very simple design, and toilets. It is mandatory. There is a borewell here, and this is toilet. That side, ladies and gents toilet, and this is office. The cashier sits here and he collects all the money, and this is very simple but very good, effective. And here is my friend Mr. Alam. Good morning, sir. Assalamu alaikum. So he is my best friend. He is the chief here. He is doing everything very nicely. हाँ देख लिया सर. आलम भाई बहुत खुशी की बात है. बहुत अच्छा है सर. ये आलम साहब है, हमारे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. इतना अच्छा समझा रहे हैं कि पेट्रोल बंक कैसे बनता है. हमारा शौक था कि मैं भी बनाऊंगा, तो आलम भाई मेरे उस्ताद हैं, गुरुजी हैं, दिखा रहे हैं क्या क्या होता है. थोड़ा समझाइए आलम भाई. ये ऑफिस रूम है आपका, थोड़ा बताइए. मैं आपका वीडियो निकाल के यूट्यूब पर डालूंगा, आप यूट्यूब में आ जाएंगे. आलम भाई साहब है. ओनर का नाम क्या आलम भाई? राजू गौर. बालराज, सीधे बालराज. अच्छा, ये देखिए ऑफिस रूम है. इसमें आलम साहब मैनेजर है, यहाँ बैठते हैं. कैशियर का भी रूम है, मैनेजर का भी रूम है. कंप्यूटर भी चलाते हैं बालराज साहब. तो दो ये डिस्पेंसर है क्या साहब? आपका टैंक किधर है? पेट्रोल और डीजल टैंक किधर है? My friends, my best friend Mr. Alam will explain you where is the tank, cylinder, big cylinders which stores diesel. ये क्या है? पेट्रोल टैंक. ये पेट्रोल टैंक. Oh, very good. You see, it is in L shape. Here is diesel tank. Very safe, protected. कितना कैपेसिटी का है आलम भाई? 20 लीटर दोनों कैपेसिटी का है. So what a beautiful separate.
लोडिंग पाइप
जी, लोडिंग. ओके. टैंकर आएगा तो इधर से लोड करेगा, तो दोनों में चला जाएगा. इधर से दोनों में चला जाएगा. बहुत अच्छे. आलम भाई साहब ये क्या है?
सैंपल रूम है.
सैंपल रखेंगे, वो सप्लाई करेगा, उसका सैंपल रख लेंगे, फिर उसका चेकिंग करेंगे. वेरी गुड आलम भाई. उसको दे दीजिए, फिर बात करेंगे. थैंक यू. सो सी हाउ मिस्टर आलम इज एफिशिएंट एंड सो नाइस. ही इज गिविंग प्रॉम्प्ट एंड वेरी इफेक्टिव सर्विस टू द पीपल. एंड दीज पीपल कैन, नमस्ते, good morning. These people can carry also petrol and diesel very smartly, because energy is the source of life. Without energy nothing happens. Good morning sir. Namaskar sir. Good morning. So without energy you can't do anything else. You can get petrol and diesel both in the same dispenser. Both are coming here in the same, and it's so interesting, so beautiful. Namaskaram sir.
Namaskar.
Very good morning. My पेर ना
Raju.
राजू गारू, बालराज गारू पेट्रोल बंक की दी. थैंक यू राजू गारू. यू आर ट्रॉली ऑपरेटर, ट्रॉली चलाते हैं. ओके, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. जी हाँ, शॉप है आपका. बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस. आलम भाई बहुत अच्छे हैं. ये लोगों की बहुत अच्छा सर्विस देते हैं. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
आप किधर का है?
मैं तो इधर का ही हूँ, इस सिटी का जीएम हूँ. नानी सिटी की रंगाराव साहब का दोस्त. जी जी जी. So friends, you see, there are two dispensers, and both are having multiple twin function, diesel and petrol. And see the petrol. Sri Balaji Filling Station. He has put his name, Balraju Balaji Filling Station. It is really very, very good. So simple. Not at all complicated. Not at all complicated. But if you start here, you have to take a power source, you see. That is a transformer, and that without electricity nothing happens. Pressure is also there in the corner, and if anybody has bad luck, puncture, etc., that can be also cured. puncture can be repaired. Very good. Very good. And here you see, he has to put some kind of the signal board that is not there. Light arrangement is also there. You see the street light in the night, it is very dark here. So that poles has to be put in the transformer, which really takes from the main line and supply to the power station of Mr. Balaji filling station, you see here. And this is main line passing here. This is Kondamargu area. That is wonderful, very, very nice. And Mr. Ahmad is so good, you see. He is helping everyone. Sometimes he is alone because the people will come here early in the morning, but they are all coming. It is the most reliable filling station. You see, the owner has written his name, Balaji Filling Station, Kondamargu, Mittu. That is the nickname of this. And this is very important. You see the logo of this. Logo, Diesel and Spencer. Very nice. I'm really much interested in doing this kind of business. But now you see the flooring will be done in due course of time. It is a muddy one. It is not really metal or tiles. They have to be fitted here. And this will be done in due course of time. But he started delivering these petrol and diesel to the various customers. I love the storage, that is a tankers, sump. They are in L shape, 20,000 liters each, and there is no disturbance here. Vehicles come in the U shape, can come here, come here, come here. 4 vehicles can be fed at a time. So simple, you see, the office is so simple, not big complication. Toilet, water, office room, everything is very, very important. Generator is very important because once there is a power failure, friends, you need to have power source because the customers cannot be fed. So Ahmad bhai, thank you very much. Ahmad bhai साहब कितना एरिया है ये, लेंथ कितना है इसका? नहीं ये मालूम नहीं. तो मैं सोचता हूँ ये नियर अबाउट 120-130 होगा क्या सर? बिकॉज लंबा है ना इतना.
लंबा है.
120 हम भी बना रहे हैं इसीलिए देखने आए सर. लगता कि आपके जैसे एक अच्छे इंसान है. सब लोग इतना मोहब्बत से बात नहीं करता. इसको इंसान बोलते, इंसानियत. जी, हिंदू हो मुसलमान हो, जो इंसान है ना, इंसानियत बड़ी चीज़ है. ये धर्म की कोई बात नहीं. तो सर मैं हाथ ही मिला सकता हूँ, वीडियो में दोनों नहीं आएंगे. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा सर आपसे मिलकर. मैं डॉक्टर BK चौधरी हूँ. डॉक्टर सत्यनारायण का नाम सुना है क्या अभी? वो बीबी नगर के बहुत बड़े डॉक्टर. हाँ, तो वहीं मैं रहता हूँ. वो मेरे भाई साहब हैं. वो बोले जाओ, वहाँ अहमद भाई हैं, राजू साहब हैं. तो साहब काम करिए आप. आपका टाइम नहीं ख़राब करूँगा. थैंक यू, शुक्रिया.